morning, kids or lunch. I am Michael A. Santana from Kinder 2. Today, I will show you one of the Pangasinan products. This is Boneless Bangus. Boneless Bangus is a Filipino dish marinated in garlic, pepper, and also vinegar or calamansi juice. It is made by removing the bones of bangus using forceps. Did you know that bangus has around 214 bones and has the scientific name of Chanus chanus? The first seller of bangus was the F.F. Sandoval Trading. The company used the line bangus na walang tinik to easily sell the product. So let's taste our barangay strike on boneless bangus. Yummy, Rosa. Hindi ko na kain and I thank you.